Hi everyone, my name is Stanley and I'm from RC Tank Legion. Thank you for watching my channel. So I hope you guys are staying safe during this pandemic. So for today's episode, we are going to show you the latest gimmick, the latest gizmo, which is the Canon Smoke. Right now, the Canon Smoke is only compatible with the version 6 or 6.1 Hinglong boards. And right now we are working with Clark to make sure it can work with the Clark TK boards as well. So without further ado, let me show you how to install this amazing new system into your Hinglong tank. Okay, in the kit you come with the new pump, the new aluminum reservoir with the heating element, and this is how you refill the fluids. You put it over here. It comes with a whole length of silicone tubing, so you can fit it into the barrel. Okay, and of course this is the control board, and this is the bunch of wirings that you need to plug into your board, which I will show right here. This is the flash unit which you put in the barrel, and this is the tube where you put your smoke into. Smoke unit comes with very nice silicone wires, which is nice and flexible, and as you can see, it is 22 gauge wires, which is really nice and thick for this purpose. Okay, there's two plugs over here. So the white plug goes into CN5, which is on the board, CN5 for Wi-Fi. Okay, and this one over here, although it's red wire, is actually plugged onto the negative side of LED 1. You would also need a jumper. This is a jumper which I made from one wire to the other. You can even make your own really easy. Basically, you take a spare wire like this. Okay, you cut it. Okay, you cut it. You strip the wires. Join them together, solder them, and they become a jumper. So it basically connects the two pins together. Okay, very simple. Okay, number one, this plug goes into CN5. This jumper goes into the CN6 limit switch, and then the LED goes here in LED 1 negative. Although it's red, it is actually the negative. Okay. So, the question is, why do I use a jumper? Because when you were to put this through the barrel, the BB unit has to come off. So it makes sense to, you actually have to cut the BB unit, and the BB unit is non-functional. Okay, so this is what your BB unit looks like, right? This is what your BB unit looks like. This is the limit switch, and the limit switch is usually yellow on the newer models. Okay, so you could take this. You can take this, cut it, strip the wires, twist and join them together, and solder them, and it becomes your jumper. Okay. So how are we gonna install this pipe into the BB unit where the barrel is? It's obviously impossible, right? Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chop this. I'm gonna cut this up around here, give or take. Okay. Around here, I'm going to take my grinder or saw, whatever. I'm just going to cut it along this line, remove everything with the gears, the motors, everything, including the piston from this BB unit, and maintain this part. Okay, this part we don't want. Okay? Everything below this red line we don't want. Okay, and we want to retain this part of the BB unit. Okay, so after cutting, it kind of looks like this. Okay, as you can see, it's empty over here, and we could put the pipe through here. Okay, of course I might have to remove and actually put it through, but you get what I mean, because now you can see the pipe goes all the way through into the barrel. Okay, let me show you real quick on how to work it. Okay, so for it to work, all you have to do is turn on your radio, turn on your tank. So when you fire the cannon, Okay, this is the normal setting. You need to press G and S together to turn it on. Let it warm up and fire away. Okay, the first one is a cold shot. Let's try again. There we go. And as you can see, because I use a jumper, there is no need to wait for the BB motor to finish spooling, so it's instant. So you got a barrel over here, okay. All you need to do is feed the LED into the barrel as much as you can without sticking it out all the way to the end. Kind of like this, but not all the way to the end, okay? Maybe a little bit. And then put the hose over here. Yeah, like kind of like that. Almost all the way to the end, but not. Kind of like this, okay? Kind of like this. And let's see how it looks like. Now let's see how that looked like facing the camera. Okay guys, this concludes today's how-to episode, and I hope you find this video informative and exciting as usual. You can find this product on our web store, rctanklegion.com. Look for Canon Smoke Unit. This is the latest product. It is perfect for your hanglong and it's awesome, especially when you are battling your tanks and it shoots this puff of smoke every time it fires. I am extremely excited. This is one of the few products that really got me really excited, and I am so happy that they made this. This is amazing. Ever since I saw the video of some German guy who engineered this Canon smoke mechanism for his tank, I was excited till today. So finally, when this product is available commercially, I can't wait to get it. So I'm super happy. Awesome, right? Okay, so until the next video, please stay safe, wash your hands, wear masks when you go out, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.